Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video in my getting ready for Pesach series. I am getting ready for the Jewish holiday of Passover, and I am so thankful to have you here to spend time with me, keep me accountable, keep me moving on, because getting ready for Passover is quite a process. Quite a process. There's so much cleaning to do, so much prep to do, cooking to do. Oh my goodness. But in today's video, I just brought up our Passover boxes from the basement. So I'm going to be going through all of those, checking, I need a break already, checking what I have, what I need. I'm going to be hosting Seder this year for some of our friends. We're going to my husband's parents' house the first night. So they're hosting first night for family, and then we're hosting our friend's second night, but it's still a lot of people, so I need to see what I have for Seder and then just for the week of Passover in general. I have some really exciting things to share with you guys, tons of prep to do, so I hope you'll stay tuned for all of that. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. That just means that when you go to YouTube, you'll see my videos in my feed, maybe, but it really supports and helps my channel so much. So thank you to my subscribers. As I'm filming this, I'm about to hit 70,000. So crazy. So I am so thankful. Time to get emotional. I am so thankful to you guys, for anyone who's hit that subscribe button. It just means so much, and it's allowed me to just keep doing this and keep sharing content with you guys and keep living my Jewish life. Okay, so let's get into the boxes. That's first, is we're gonna open these up. By the way, I don't think I've ever really shown our storage room in the basement. Maybe I have, but it's just a ton of these boxes with labels for each of the Jewish holidays, as well as labels for like kids' clothes and things like that. I have some new stuff I know is coming in, but hopefully it's delivering like today, and I'm gonna take you guys to the grocery store in this video. I think we'll just do it all. So yeah, let's go open the boxes. So I've been using these boxes for a few years now, and I feel like I have my system down. Like, I feel like I finally have gotten to a point in my organization where I know where things are, I sort of remember what's in each box, and I try to be really good when the holiday ends about only keeping the things I know I'm actually going to use the next year, rather than just holding on to them to hold on to them, and that has really helped. Thankfully, I think I cleaned up well after last year, and cleaned out well, I should say, because there wasn't too much random stuff in it this year, which was very nice. So let me show you guys what I have, and then we'll think about what I still need. Okay, so first up, new this year, is a matzah holder. This is from Yaeli Vogel. I've shared her things before. In fact, this is the one she gave me last year. I unfortunately folded it before putting it in, which I should not have done, but I believe I can just smooth that out. It's made out of leather. Anyway, she hand paints these gorgeous designs and then puts them on Judaica. How beautiful is this? So this is the matzah holder for the Seder. So there's individual compartments for the 3 matzot. How stunning. This is the new one from this year. I'm so excited for that. We've got our candlesticks, charger plates. These actually weren't in the bin, but they're stuff I was just taking out. This is a chametz finder set. It's more spiritual than a literal, but you literally find the last crumbs of chametz and burn them the night before the Seder. Then we've got my Haggadah. I shared this last year when I brought it out. It's a digital download you can buy on Etsy. You can print it however you want. I'll also share the link. I got these printed from FedEx.com. It was super easy, and you can decide like how much you want in color, how much you want black and white, how nice you want the paper to be. So I don't have the option to send the printed ones. It's just way too complicated. So I just sell the digital download. But if you want a Haggadah for your Pesach Seder, I really recommend mine. Surprise, surprise. But I've been making Haggadot for our family Seders for like 20 years. For a really long time. Okay, maybe not 20 years, but a long time. So I finally actually compiled one and made it as beautiful as I could and meaningful, and it's so nice. It's just like a smooth flowing Seder and just really lovely and meaningful. So I'll put the Etsy link for that. Then we've got my acrylic matzah holder. My mom gave me this years ago. I think she was ahead of the times. A glass matzah holder. This is my Seder plate. I'm getting a new one this year. I'm so excited. I always get questions on this. It's really not sold very widely in stores, and it's also very fancy. We got this for our wedding. It has a high price point, so I feel bad when I link it or mention it because everyone's like, where'd you get it? I'm like, I don't know, it's hard to find, it's really expensive, but I will try my best to link it if I can find it again, and I'll also share the new one when it comes. I have this happy Passover sign that we bought on Amazon last year, and I just had a bunch of fun stuff for the kids. Afikoman champ for the winner of the Afikoman, the plate mask. Oh my god, these are so fun. They're just silly, but it keeps the kids like entertained and part of the Seder. It's really important to me that they feel included. This is a DIY Seder plate. I bought these last year, but there's extra, so we can have for this here. A little Seder plate matching game. These are more like Seder plates that the kids made. Speaking of things the kids made, I have a matzah cover from Max for every year since the child was 2 years old. Like, I have so many matzah covers that he made. I don't know why I don't have any from my other children, but I have a lot of matzah covers. Look at this little froggy. I think Max made this one, so cute. Corey made the saltwater bowl holder. Also, this Passover memory game. Again, I'll link what I can below. Passover books for the kids. A lot of these are from PJ Library. I always mention them because they will send you free books if you are raising a Jewish child, so definitely check them out. Oh, I forgot, I printed out last year a bunch of coloring pages and stickers for the kids. Oh my goodness. And then this is just more like covers and matzah covers and things like that I have that I probably won't use this year because I just like the table to look cohesive, if that makes sense. So it gets a lot year after year with all the stuff, but I can't part with them. And then these are so random, but look, they're little pyramids. Just to make the table look fun. Okay, so that's everything I have. I don't have any food items, so we need to get all of those. And in terms of like the Seder table, I have plates, I have cutlery, like all that stuff. I don't think I need any of that. Seems like I have a good amount of stuff for the kids to play with, but we also have a lot of kids coming. So I might need a few more fun things for them. And, oh, flowers. I have this lovely woman, if you're local to the DC area, her company does Shabbat flowers every week you can buy. I mean, she does all sorts of floral stuff, but she's coming to do my Passover table. I'll make a whole video about setting up the table with her. So she'll thankfully take care of the florals, and oh, a tablecloth. All right, let's just go to the grocery store and leave this for a minute. Okay, just got to the grocery store. I got Zachary with me, and we're gonna head straight in to the Passover section. But before that, I had a little road incident I wanted to share. Tell me what you think. So I had my turn signal on to like go into the lane next to me, and I was like halfway in the lane, and then all of a sudden this car comes like going so fast, like I would guess 60 miles an hour on the street, and like he zoomed around me to get into the lane and then zoomed in front of me, so I like honked at him really loud, and then literally as I was honking, I was like, I wonder if he's going to the hospital, because there was a hospital like right as you turn the next street. And sure enough, I looked as I drove by, and he was turning into like the emergency hospital entrance. And then I felt bad. I was like, this poor guy's, got enough going on. Here I am rage honking at him. But am I right or am I wrong? I mean, I couldn't have known at the time, but I just felt bad. Anyways, Passover shopping. Let's go. We're going to Giant, which I want to say is affiliated with Kroger. I'm not sure. You guys have to let me know. I don't know how they all line up. I think Giant and Kroger are together. Let me know. Anyways, so just a regular grocery store, but in a Jewish area of Washington, D.C. suburb. So let's do it. Jackie, it's over there. Always in the 5-pound box. More matzah. Look at all these different cake mixes. Even cereal. All kosher for Passover. Okay, switching to a voiceover because it was loud in there. These are some classic Passover desserts. They have the same ones every year. They're very well known. Another Passover favorite is the Kosher Passover Coca-Cola. some people like it better. Apparently it's made with like sugar instead of corn syrup. Then this is frozen gefilte fish and frozen kishka. That's an Ashkenazi classic. Also frozen stuffed cabbage leaves. And then, of course, the bitter herbs, the horseradish for the Seder plate. How to get some of those. And here are some snacks. These pretty much taste the same as non-Passover ones. You got the macaroons. Okay, it's the next day and I realized I never finished that video. This was the stuff I bought at Giant. I just shoved it here in my pantry. I have to like unpack it, clean everything out, like actually do everything like that. But this was some of the stuff I got. Sorry I didn't end the video. I'm already starting to film the next one, which is getting my Passover table ready for the Seder. So I hope you like this one. Definitely tune in for the next one. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.